Hello, welcome to Anu's classroom. In this video, we'll be talking about the topics included in Unit 8 of block number 2 on information systems for managers, that is integrated applications. So, in this video, we will be discussing on the importance of integrated systems, their increasing use in organizations, what are the advantages, and maybe even talk about a few disadvantages, and how do we how do we use these integrated softwares and applications in organizations, and their business utilities, their importance, how we implement them, what are the different integrated system business software solutions from various leading providers like Oracle, SAP, Microsoft, and such vendors. Okay, so let's get started. So, why exactly do we go for integrated systems and what they are? Integrated systems are systems that help in integrating business processes and management functions. One of the most common integrated system application that we will, I think most of us will be using is our Microsoft Word. Sorry, not Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office, and recently they have upgraded it to Microsoft Office 365. They have both cloud as well as desktop applications. So in cloud, so all the product suite, starting from Word, which is the most popular, we have PowerPoint, we have Access, and a lot many other things also. We have OneDrive even for storage. So for word editing, we have Microsoft Word. For we have Microsoft Excel for all the the calculations and things like that, workbookings. And if you want to create any slides, we have a Microsoft PowerPoint. For database management, we have Microsoft Access. To store things, we have Microsoft OneDrive. For communication, we have Teams. For emails, we have Outlook. So that entire product suite, that is the easiest example of an integrated system or integrated software platform, which all of us will be familiar of, right? So what do they do? Once you have this example, try to link. Okay, they provide a transparent and integrated view of all the activities that are going on. So, what does it do? It facilitates maintaining the data consistency across all the applications. How? By making you sure that the same data is available to all concerned in the organization. Um, so, if you have a cloud application, if you have the cloud Microsoft 365, then you can share documents, right? Um, Things like that. So that is what it does, and it also minimizes the time taken in accomplishing work. There are many software packages that integrate these activities of different service divisions and respective processes, and it facilitates business so that they can what you can say, give or devote more time on their productivity rather than worrying about what solution to take for which application. So you these days, most of the organizations like the big fours, take for example, in our India itself, the IT majors, most of them, even smaller organizations also, are using Microsoft Office. Then we had IBM's integrated software suite. We have from Oracle, SAP, all these things. So depending upon the, what you can say, depending upon the use case of the business, businesses may choose any one from these. So the literal meaning of the word integration itself is combination or amalgamation, right? You have all studied integrals and differentials. In integration, we used to integrate it as a combination, whereas in differentiation, we were trying to make it into more subparts. So combining is what integrated means, and so integrated systems or software packages also are trying to do the same thing, to combine all the things into a single package, so that you get that package, everything else that you need, everything that you might need will be there in the package. You don't have to go and search for email providing service, and then another communication platform, then another word editing platform, or another presentation platform, or whiteboarding brainstorming platform, and then try to integrate all of these different things into the uh, what you can say, into the corporate world. You don't have to worry about that. So it takes away a lot of headache from the manager's point of view, as well as for the what you can say, for employees also. So what happens is that productivity time gets increased. um, so this integrated information system can share information by applications, between applications like customer relationship management, supply chain management, business process re-engineering systems, and so on and so forth. And the amalgamation of all these integrated software applications is what we call enterprise resource planning, ERP. This is a term you will quite often come across. So, what are the few advantages? You might have already guessed many. It helps in business growth, it provides a platform to integrate the processes, it simplifies the operation, it generates information on real time, and it will thus help our businesses to grab opportunities which may not have been existing earlier before this integrated system, or they might have been there but it was difficult for us to spot. So, what is the business utility of integrated system? As we said, complete projects can be undertaken by a company, and it can also be very well managed and monitored using softwares like project management systems, which is again a part of our ERP. They are designed, these project management systems, they are designed to assist our project managers, that is you in the future, you and me, right, and their teams, to organize the projects step by step. Okay, and identify priorities, monitor the task, cost, contacts, deadlines, everything. Okay, then business intelligence or BI tools are also available for analytical study, for making the businesses more and more successful. A, a humble request and a quick reminder: if you are watching this video and you like it, you like the way our classes are going, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon. It will help me reach out to more students like you and help them as well. So this is how we grow our community and help each other, which is the primary objective of me starting this channel as well. So I request you all to be part of my dream and part of this community by subscribing to the channel and sharing also with your friends if you find it useful, of course. So, what are the few challenges that we face while we are using such an integrated application? First and foremost, we need to have a proper and well thought out plan. Without plan and randomly selecting an ERP software just because of the company name or just because everybody else is using it will definitely not be a good idea, because each organization is unique, just like each other person, right? What my needs may not be your needs. So, whatever you are doing, 100% same way, if I copy, it's not going to work. So selecting the right service provider becomes important, and you have to test several integration use cases, so as to make sure that whatever you're selecting is the best for you. Scaling integrations should not be a problem in the future, because businesses are always expanding. You might think that you have you know you have planned well ahead for the next 5 years, but the truth is that we do not know where technology will be or where we will all be in the next, even in the next day. Things could change, right? So plan ahead and make sure that to the best of your ability, any kind of a scaling can be what you can say, can be done properly. Bidirectional integrations, that is, maybe like we have one software which is used for what you can say, connections between team members, and maybe another software is being used for team to team connections. In that case, there might be integrations required, and that could, it should not cause a problem, it could cause a problem. we should make sure that it doesn't. And you should keep all those things in mind when you're choosing this ERP service provider. Lack of clear accountability, build it, and then don't assume that you just buy a software, or you just create a software and then people will accept it readily. It will get evolved, or people will get used to it in some time. Don't assume. Okay, that assumption is the biggest killer of all. And you should always be aware that environment is constantly changing. So, in case you are interested to know more about the business solutions from Oracle, you can go and visit this website, https www.oracle.com/products. Okay, you can simply search about it in Google to just search for business solutions from Oracle, and this is the page where it will take you to as well. So, some of the solutions that Oracle offers is the e-business suite, which is suitable for order management, logistics management, financials, and all. We have JD Edwards Enterprise One for digital transformation, migration to cloud, UX innovations, automations, and much, much more. Hyperion for centralized planning, budgeting, forecasting, PeopleSoft for human capital management, Sibyl for complete enterprise grade CRM solutions, and so forth. So from SAP, if you want to know, you can go to sap.com/India. We have enterprise resource planning software, supply chain management softwares, financial management, spend management, business network, human capital management, which will be usually used by your HR people, CRM and customer experience, which will maybe be used by your BPO people, sustainability management, small and mid-size enterprise, specifically to cater the small scale organizations who are upcoming, and much, much, much more. A lot of details you will find if you go to their website and search. From Microsoft, you can either go to dynamics.microsoft.com. All right, that they have, as we said, Microsoft 365 is there. Microsoft Business Solutions are getting offered, which can help retailers, manufacturers, wholesale distributors, service companies, and a lot more. So any of these sites, and then even from Google, we have the Google Workspace, which is formerly known as the G Suite. To know about that, you can go to google.com/intl/en_in/business. So you go to any of these sites, what you will find is that they will ask you, before recommending you on a software, they'll definitely say these are the softwares available, but then they'll ask you, what is your requirement, what is your business like, so that all these data they will collect from you, so that they can give you a much better offer that is suited to your business needs. So if I hope that you understood about integration systems and the various solutions offered by them, and why it is important to learn about them, because you will all be using it one day or the other when you either start your own business or join somebody else, right? So that is it for this video. Thank you very much for sticking with me till this, and I hope to see you all in the next session. Bye bye.